From the genesis of the school, Tara ma'am has ensured women are empowered and all the students, boys and girls, women and men, parents are sensitized towards gender equity. Dheere is curated to salute all the women out here. I welcome our senior teacher, cultural head, Bindu HS, and the curator of this dance program to share her ideas and how she conceptualized Dheere.
ಧೀರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಧೀರೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆದರ್ಶಪ್ರಾಯರಾಗಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ತಾರಾ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿರವರು. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಾಯಕತ್ವದ ಗುಣ, ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಸಮಯ ಪರಿಪಾಲನೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಂಡು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವ ಪರಿ ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದದ್ದು. ಇಂದು ಈ ಧೀರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವದಾದ್ಯಂತ ವಿವಿಧ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣನೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ವಿಜಯಶಾಲೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದರ ಜೋಡಣೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ತ್ರೀಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಎಂದು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅರಿತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅವಳು ಎಂದು ಅಳಿಸಲಾಗದ ಗೆರೆ. ಅವಳು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಗೆದ್ದು ಸಾಧಿಸುವ ಸಾಧಕಿ. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕೆಲವು ತತ್ವಗಳು ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಹಾಗೂ ಪುರುಷರಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರುತ್ತವೆ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸುವ ಹೇ ತಾಯಿ ನೀನೊಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಎಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇಡೀ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಮುದಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ತಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಂದಿರಿಗೆ ನಮನವನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಆನಂದಿಸೋಣ ಧೀರೆ.
पे खींची लकीरें रब ने तो ये तस्वीर बनी, आग हवा पानी को मिलाया तो फिर ये तस्वीर सजी. हस्ती तेरी विशाल हो, कुदरत का तू कमाल है. मनमोहिनी तेरी अदा, तुझे जब देख ले तो मेरी गदा भर से झरे 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 नाच चमक चमक वो बिजली दीवानी है. बेमिसाल तू कोरी कोरी अनछुई, तुझ में है कुदरत सारी खोई, कुछ में है कुदरत सारी खोई खोई, तुझ में है कुदरत सारी खोई खोई. मिट्टी की है मूरत तेरी, मासूमियत फितरत तेरी, ये सादापन ये भोलापन, तू महकी महकी तू लहकी लहकी तू चली चली हर गली गली तू हवा के ढंग संग सनन सनन, तेरा अंग अंग जैसे जलता रंग, कोई लहर लहर चली ठहर ठहर पानी का मेल, तेरे तन बदन झर 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 अंगार जैसा, तेरा रोम रोम है दहका दहका अग्नि का खेल, तू अगन अगन.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
वो शक्ति है, वो शक्ति है, वो
वो शक्ति है।
कभी कभी वो शक्ति है, कभी कभी वो भक्ति है। ना झुकती है ना रुकती है, ना थमती है ना थकती है। ना झुकती है ना रुकती है, ना थमती है ना थकती।
वो शक्ति है, वो शक्ति है, वो शक्ति है, वो शक्ति है।
वो शक्ति है कि जिसको अपनी शक्तियों का ज्ञान है, जिसके हाथ में कमान लक्ष्य पर ही ध्यान है। जो चक्रवात की लहर के सर पे चढ़ के झूम ले, कि प्रश्न चिन्ह तोड़ कर जो उत्तरों को चूम ले।
वो शक्ति है, 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 वो शक्ति है।
जो आग और बर्फ दोनों साथ लेके चलती है, जो तीर में बदलती है, जो ढाल में भी ढलती है। जो एक पल में अग्नि है, जो एक पल में नीर है। जो पत्थरों की स्याही से खींची हुई लकीर है।
She's put miles to go in her journey. Her spirit unfettered and free. Her beauty beyond what you see. Yes, ये कल्पना है और ख्वाहिश भी। She's a woman, she's me.
ना ये राजा है ना ये रानी, ये ना योद्धा ना ही योगी।
सरनामों से परे ये कुछ भी नहीं है और सब कुछ भी।
परस्तिश की न मांगना चाहे पहचान का दान।
साथ चलना है जरूर, अकेला सफर भी मंजूर। Yes,
She's born to destiny with miles to go in a journey. Her spirit unfettered and free. Her beauty beyond what you see. Yes. She's a woman.
Give a huge round of applause to all the women who have nurtured us, who have held the spirits high, for their resilience, for their commitment and strength.
ये कल्पना है और ख्वाहिश भी। She's a woman.
Let us take a moment to thank all the women in our lives. Thank you everyone who have been very encouraging. Thank you so much. And once again, give a huge round of applause to all our performers and also all the women. I would like to share with you a few thoughts about why we are celebrating women and saluting women today. We have seen in the history and also in today's world that women have excelled and sustained in every field they put their minds into. They have proven time and again that their potential knows no bounds. While we often revered women as an epitome of sacrifice, it is very important to acknowledge their human essence, their real emotions, dreams, vulnerability, beauty, and grace. They are not just nurturers and caregivers, but individuals with aspirations and ambitions of their own. Through this dance performance, Dheere, we have seen that for a peaceful and a prosperous family, society, and the planet, it is essential to support, empower, and uplift women. We need to build our capabilities. We must build our capabilities and create opportunities to work hand in hand with women, helping them hold their heads high and soar with high spirits. On this occasion, we have brought together women from various sectors and walks of life from Hassan to celebrate their contributions, strength, and grace. The Vijaya family salutes all the women here today for who you are and for the remarkable impact you have made in your families, communities, and societies at large. Give a huge round of applause to all the women who are present here and all the men who have supported and empowered women here. Now, it is my honor and privilege to give a little brief introduction about our guiding light, visionary, founder director, Tara ma'am. Tara S. Swami is an electrical engineer who worked in Malnad College of Engineering, Hassan from 1984 to 1993. In the year 1996, she started Vijaya School with the sole intention of giving back to the society. She firmly believes in cultivating values, skills from the early years to create young adults, young children who have power and can take informed decisions and actions in the society. This exactly is the reason why she got into school education. She made a humble beginning in small rented buildings with minimal human resources. Today, she has a huge Vijaya family and leading a learning community of over 1,500 students with 150 staff members. Give a huge round of applause to Tara ma'am. Tara Swami has over 25 years of experience in school education, and every academic program which is designed and implemented in Vijaya School is taken care to cater the needs of all the students. As a humanitarian and an environmentalist, she is committed to cultivating love for self, love for nature, love for mankind through educational processes. Apart from her professional work, she enjoys reading a wide range of books. She loves gardening and listening to music. And recently, she loves to play with her grandson. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, dear students and teachers, let us welcome our founder director, Tara ma'am, on the stage. Please, ma'am. To welcome our guest on the stage. Put your hands together for Dr. Nandini BN, SP Lokayukta, Hassan and Chikmagalur district. Ma'am, please come on the stage and receive our token of gratitude. Dr. Nandini is a dedicated public servant, transitioned from teaching to becoming an KS officer and DYSP. With roles in police training and administration, she served in Ramanagara, Shivamogga, and Hassan. Currently, she is overseeing Hassan and Chikmagalur districts. She is also a Kannada literature scholar earning an honorary doctorate from Kuvempu University for her contribution. Thank you, ma'am, for your contribution, and thank you for gracing this occasion. We have with us Dr. Bharti Nagesh, Secretary of Nagesh Education Trust and Chief Executive Director of Nagesh Hospital. She has a PhD in biochemistry and has over 28 years of experience in education and healthcare. She founded Nagesh Education Trust in 2003 and now is managing institutions with 3,000 plus students. She is a published researcher and is committed in improving quality education and healthcare in the two-tier cities and rural areas of Karnataka. Thank you so much for your contribution and gracing this occasion. Please put your hands together to Vinuta Shivarame Gowda, Administrator, a humble human being from Kuvempu School, Hassan. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause. This recognition inspires all our student community, and it is our privilege and honor to have all the women here and given us an opportunity to thank you and be grateful. Please give a huge round of applause to Dr. Nirupama, Principal, Netaji Public School, Hassan. She is a distinguished education professional and a scholar with 20 years of experience in school education. She has a proven track record of delivering exceptional academic results with strong passion for mentoring students and educators. She is adept in school administration, curriculum development, and teacher training, with a sole commitment for quality education for all the students in India. Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have Professor S. Madhumati, Principal of Government Home Science College, Hassan. She has 28 years of experience in home science education, training, and research. She has collaborations with NGOs, UNICEF, and Samagra Shiksha, Karnataka. She has trained educators, developed curriculum, and championed child safety and education. She was a pandemic frontline worker. She exemplifies dedication to community welfare and academic excellence. Thank you for all your contributions, and thank you for gracing this occasion. We have with us Dr. Nandita B.R., Dean of Academic Affairs at Malnad College of Engineering, Hassan. She has 22 years of experience in teaching and leadership. A doctorate holder in computer science, she has published extensively and also chaired IEEE conferences, filed patents, and authored several chapters for computer science books. She's a passionate educator, and she organizes developmental related programs and inspires all the students to excel both in academics and community services. Thank you, ma'am. We have with us Uma S. Patil, Principal of Rashtrothana Vidya Kendra. She is a dedicated and accomplished academic leader with 18 years of experience in the field of school education. She has expertise in founding and managing successful educational institutions, nurturing students and educators. She has mentored over 3,000 students, and she has been the founder principal of 3 reputed schools in Hassan, shaping the educational landscape in the Hassan district. Thank you, ma'am. We now have Renuka Dhar, Director Principal of Millennium World School, Hassan. She has recently come to Hassan, and we warmly welcome you and hope Hassan is treating you really well. She has over 30 years of educational expertise. She has mentored 100 school leaders, trained 600 plus teachers, and she is expert in integrated sustainable development goals and curricular across 40 schools. She's a recipient of multiple awards, and she's a certified MIE trainer. Thank you for gracing this occasion. Thank you for your contribution. We have with us Surekha Shanai, Principal of Hassan Public School, Hassan. She leads the academic and administrative functions while serving as the city coordinator for NTA exams under CBSE. She promotes Indian culture through innovative educational programs, and she spearheads the community development initiatives in collaboration with Chinmaya Mission. This showcases her dedication and determination to provide the best for the students of Hassan. Thank you for your contribution, ma'am. Give a huge round of applause to Mrs. Divya Balaji. She's a trained Montessori educator and administrator. She manages 4 Euro kids in Hassan and also Euro School. She is an active Rotary member, and she has led impactful initiatives during COVID-19 pandemic, including Gnana Jyoti. Ma'am, your contributions have really made an impact on our community and our environment. Thank you so much for your contribution and gracing this occasion. Please give a huge round of applause to Dr. Sheila, Associate Professor from the Department of Veterinary Microbiology, Veterinary College, Hassan. We share the compound with Veterinary College, and when we talk to the students, they always have mentioned about you, how you inspire them and motivate them to move beyond their academic progress and give back to the society. Thank you for your presence and contribution. We have with us Shashwati Guru Prasad, an English lecturer and a proud parent of Vijaya School. She is the Secretary of English PU Lecturers Forum, Hassan District. As a part of her community services, she teaches underprivileged students spoken English and grammar under the banner Vishwasa Kirana. And she is very active in parent engagement with the school and a proud mother of 2 talented children. We have with us Dr. Bharti Mirajkar, Professor from Agricultural College, Hassan. Give a huge round of applause to Dr. Bharti. And I'm very happy to share that we have seen around 10 students in the past 4 or 5 years who have joined Agricultural College in Hassan and also in Bangalore. And all those who have been trained under ma'am always tells us that how she is hands-on and brings in experiential learning to the teaching at Agricultural College, Hassan. Thank you for your presence. We have with us senior scientist from MCF ISRO, Miss Anita. Give a huge round of applause. She joined MCF in the year 2000, and she holds a BE and an MTech degree in digital electronics. Thank you for your contributions. And one day, we would like to bring all the students in the coming academic year to the MCF, and I really hope they are inspired by you and become scientists in ISRO. Thank you. We have with us our beloved, our own Rupa Hassan, a prominent Kannada author who advocates for gender equality and social transformation through literature and education. Her acclaimed work, Ivala Bharata, highlights the silent resistance of young girls and their resilience. In fact, Tara ma'am loves Rupa Hassan's book, and she has presented all of us with Ivala Bharata for Teachers' Day. She has held prestigious roles, including the president of Hassan District Writers Association and founded Prerna Vikasa Vedike for children development. I have to say, when I was a young girl studying in Hassan, I got a lot of opportunity from Prerna Vikasa Vedike, and that was the stepping stone for my journey in public speaking. She is honored with awards like Shikshana Shri and Attimebbe Sahitya Prashasti. Thank you for your contribution in the field of social services and literature. We now have with us a very humble and down-to-earth person, Sujata Talwar. She is a broadcasting manager at Akashavani Hasana. She loves to read, and she's a huge fan of Indian cinemas. Thank you so much for joining us in this occasion, ma'am, and encouraging our students to also get into the field of radio communications and broadcasting management in Akashvani. We have with us an artist, Lata Patil. With over 20 years of experience as an art teacher, she has inspired many students and showcased her unique style influenced by African traditions and birds. She is a prolific artist. She has participated in over 15 group exhibitions, gaining recognitions for all her artwork. She is based in Bangalore and also in Hassan. She is a significant figure in the field of visual arts, and give it up to Lata Patil. Thank you. Next we have a very famous singer from Hassan, Hema Ganesh. She is a talented music teacher, currently working at Morarji Desai Residential School, Channarayapatna. In 2003, she had the honor of sharing the stage with legendary S.P. Balasubramaniam. She showcased her singing prowess in participating in Zee Kannada's Saregamapa competitions, where she secured 5th place. Hema has performed numerous Sugama Sangeeta programs in Akashvani, Mysore. I love singing, and when I was learning music, I always remember you as being my judge, and thank you for all the inspiration. Next, we have with us a progressive farmer, a progressive agriculturalist, Lakshmi. She has earned recognition for her innovative farming practices. She is honored with the Adhunika Pragatipara Raita Mahila Award and the Progressive Women Farmer Award. She was also celebrated with the BCRT Lifetime Achievement Award. A skilled cultivator of flowers, fruits, and plants, she continues to inspire all the women in the field of agriculture through her commitment, resilience, and dedication. And I have to tell you, she is our own parent, and when we got in touch with her, we were very happy to know that even their children are continuing and joining hands with her. Next we have with us Rajata. She is a renowned yoga tutor, a very big disciplinarian, and a strong believer that everyone can achieve good health only through yoga sadhana. Thank you for your continued teaching of yoga and pushing all of us to do better in our physical and spiritual well-being. have with us Kanchan Mala, the most senior person here. She is 82 now, and she is dedicated to environmental service, community service, planting and nurturing trees and plants, over 150,000 trees along with her children. She was former joint secretary of the Scouts and Guides. She inspires youth to engage in environmental conservation. Like Salumarda Timmaka, her commitment to nature is unwavering. And she remains determined to serve the nation and the nature and protect the planet for us as long as possible. Thank you so much for coming to this event and inspiring all of us that yes, age is just a number. When our vision and commitment is strong, we will really make an impact. Thank you, ma'am. We now have with us Veena CS. She is a Deputy General Manager at HDCC Bank, Hassan. She is also a proud parent of Vijaya School. And something which is very fascinating about Veena is she always encourages her children to be great in sports. As a result of that, both of her children are state level and national level players and have brought a lot of laurels to the school in the sports area. Thank you for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. Now we have members of our Rotary family from Midtown Hassan. They have made a remarkable impact in their professional field and also in the community services. To begin with, I would like to invite and welcome Dr. B.K. Saumyamani, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist, gynec laparoscopic surgeon, fertility specialist, medical director at Mani Super Speciality Hospital, Hassan. As a part of her community services, she has worked on the biggest campaigns in the Hassan district and also in the state, and she has taken her campaigns even to the countries like Sri Lanka and Spain. She was the past assistant governor, and we are very grateful for helping all our Interact Club members as well. Thank you for your presence here. Next, we have the first lady dentist of Hassan district, Dr. Vani Nagesh. She has over 32 years of experience in the field of dentist education, and she has served as a chartered treasurer of Indian Dental Association Hassan branch. She is a member of Child Welfare Committee Hassan district, a welfare board for children below 18 years for 4 years. She was the president during the COVID time at Rotary Club of Hassan Midtown. She has instituted several programs which benefited not just the families but the entire community in Hassan. Thank you for your presence and contribution. Next, we have with us very energetic Mamta Patil. She is the managing partner at Arpita Bajaj, administrative head of Krishna PU College. She was the past president of Rotary Club of Hassan Midtown and zonal coordinator for women membership development. She serves as a director at Indian Red Cross Society. She is the director of Clearan, and she is the joint secretary of Hasari Bhumi Pratishtana. Give a huge round of applause for all the contributions you have made. Next, we have Dr. Mamta Sudhir. She is a lecturer in Physiology Department in Hassan Institute of Medical Sciences, Hassan. She actively takes part in all the community services with Rotary and HIMSS. Whenever we approach her with our Interact programs and collaboration with HIMSS. She has the ideas and she connects us with the right people, and as a result of it, we have been able to do a lot of projects as a part of Interact Club. Thank you so much. Next we have Rotarian Hemalata KM. She is a senior lecturer in sociology, Government College, Hassan. She is an orator and an avid reader. Whenever we talk to her, she has a lot of references from the recent biographies of great people in the field of literature. Thank you so much for sharing your information and insights with us whenever we meet you. We have with us ever smiling Dr. Sunita KS, psychiatrist at District Hospital, Hassan. She has a PG in psychiatry from Nimans. She has gained diploma in SAC in child psychology from UK, and she has conducted awareness program for over 1,000 students on mental health and stress management. Thank you for creating the awareness among students and also the parents of Hassan district. Next we have Dr. Jayashree, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology, Hassan Institute of Medical Sciences, Hassan. She has 20 years of experience in the medical education. She is serving as a Joint Secretary at Indian Medical Association, Hassan. Recently, I was discussing with Jaya ma'am that, a lot of students who want to aspire medical sciences, they will not be aware of pharmacology, and she was very happy to tell us that she would be conducting a session on pharmacology and the scope we have in higher education. Next we have Rotarian Uma Jagdish, Dr. Uma Jagdish. She is a doctor and she runs her own clinic in Channarayapatna. In the Rotary family, she always has a warm welcome and encourages all of us to do our best. Thank you for your contribution and your presence. We have with us Professor Bhavani BS, Head of the Department MBA, Department at Rajiv Institute of Technology, Hassan. She is a resource person identified by AIBKM at the state and national level to train women self-help groups. She is also a resource person and a trainer by Canara and BK Bank to train women self-help group. Thank you for your contribution and always uplifting the spirit of women entrepreneurs in Hassan. Thank you. We have with us Rotarian Shilpa, a software engineer by education, and now heads the IT division at Rotary Midtown Hassan. She is a proud parent and she always has wonderful feedback to the school community, and parents like Shilpa give a lot of meaning for partnership with the parents. Thank you so much, Shilpa, for all your contribution. We have with us Rotarian Shubha. She is a proud teacher at Government High School. She imbibes the values and life skills through her teaching, And recently she was sharing how it is important that we integrate value education in our teaching learning process. Thank you for being a part of Vijaya community and gracing this occasion. We have with us Rotarian Sunita Pramod. She is a businesswoman. She has experience for over 18 years. And she's always proud about her children and also the children of Hassan district. Thank you for all the encouragement. And whenever we meet her, she describes how important it is for all the women to be independent and financially independent. Thank you so much for your contribution. 25 has come. We have with us a sports person. Her name is Kamalakshi. She has participated in Khelo India held in New Delhi, where she served as the captain of the wheelchair cricket team. Additionally, she secured third place in the sitting volleyball at Thanjavur. She became the first differently abled individual from Hassan district to be selected for Khelo India. She proudly emphasized that she was also the first woman from Hassan district, and she was the first woman who actually participated in various sports events at state level and national level. Thank you for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. We have with us an entrepreneur, MSME business owner, Shruti Prasad, founder of Avani Organic. She has empowered over 3,000 farmers from Hassan, Kodagu, and Chikmagalur by providing organic farming technology and market access. She is a successful women entrepreneur and has received numerous accolades, including the 2021 Sasyatali National Award and the 2023 Jaivika India Award for her contributions to organic farming and sustainable agriculture. Give a huge round of applause to Shruti Prasad in her absence. And now we have very special people, because these are our alumni mothers. These mothers who were very young when they joined Vijaya School and have been a part of Vijaya family even after they moved on from the school. Give it up for Rumana, mother of Syed Fatima. She was the student of Vijaya School, batch of 2007-2008. We have with us Deepa CN, lecturer at Government Arts, Commerce and PG College, Hassan. And when we had a preschool event, she shared her experiences, and in fact we didn't really remember all these experiences that she shared with us. She told how Tara ma'am in those rented buildings was so kind and passionate as an educator and someone who took care of all the students' needs. Thank you, Deepa, for reinforcing the importance of kindness as educators. Thank you. Next we have Ruchita Sinha, our alumni and also my senior at school, mother of Kashyap Sut, who's studying in 7th B. And in our recent parents-teachers meeting, she was expressing how it was important for her son and also all the children to have an exposure in theaters, and we also can see his performance tomorrow in Julius Caesar. Next we have Meghna Hedges. She is a lecturer at Government Engineering College, Hassan. And when they told me Meghna is coming to this occasion, and I saw her picture, and I remember she was a great sportsman during that time. And I am pretty sure that she is also continuing that sportsman spirit and passing on to her next generation. Thank you, Meghna. Next we have Purnima MR. She is a district programmer at DDPI office, Hassan. A proud mother and a proud alumni. And you all would know how important it is for all the educational institutions to have a good rapport with the DDPI office. And whenever we go, she helps us with all the paperwork. Thank you, Purnima. And we are so happy that you're also our alumni. Next we have our ever smiling and enthusiastic alumni, Yogita SK. She is assistant professor at MC in the Department of Electronics and Engineering. Give a huge round of applause. Thank you for joining us today. Ladies and gentlemen, dear students and parents, give a huge round of applause to all the Dheeres from Hassan who have contributed in their own ways for the betterment of the family, for the society and the community at large.
Now it is the time to call upon the Dheere of Vijaya School, Dr. Sri Lakshmi ma'am, our academic head, on the stage. Ma'am stands as a beacon of grace, a woman of vision, strength, and unwavering dedication. She embodies the essence of excellence in every stride she takes. Her presence lights up our institution. Her charm inspires countless hearts. Her intellect nurtures the dreams of many. She is not just a leader, but a mentor, a guide, a role model, whose kindness and determination have left an indelible mark on everyone who has had the privilege of working alongside her. And we are honored to celebrate her today, a Dheere who proves that with great and relentless pursuit of knowledge, there is no limit of what a Stree can achieve. Let's give a big round of applause to all the Dheeres on the stage, please.
SP Lokayukta to address the gathering.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಾ, ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ದಿನ ವಿಜಯ ಶಾಲೆ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ವಿಜಯೋತ್ಸವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ, ಒಂದು ಧೀರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ವುಮೆನ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದಿನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಏನು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂದ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ವಿಜಯ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನನ್ನದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಆಡಳಿತ ವರ್ಗ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಧನಾತ್ಮಕ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗಿಂದನೂ ಸಹ ಅರಿವಿಗೆ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಗುಣಾತ್ಮಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯ ಶಾಲೆ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಧೀರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಜನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ತಮಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿರಬೇಕು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸದೃಢ ಕುಟುಂಬವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಇಡೀ ಹಾಸನ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಒಂದು ಮಹಿಳಾ ಶಕ್ತಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ರೂಪುರೇಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಂಥವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಧೀರೆ ತಾರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಯ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೇರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಆದರೂ ಸಹ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಒಂದು ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಕಡೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಆದರೆ ಗುಣಾತ್ಮಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಗುಣಾತ್ಮಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ನಾವು ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದನೇ ಅಥವಾ ಪರಿಸರದ ಮನೆಯಿಂದನೇ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಅಪರಾಧಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನಿತರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಲೋಪದೋಷಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಕೌಟುಂಬಿಕ ವಿಚಾರಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಟಾಡಾ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಒಂದು ಗುಣಾತ್ಮಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾನವೀಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಾನವೀಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯ ಶಾಲೆ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಅದೇ ಗುಣಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅವರ ಭಾವನೆ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಮದರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದನೇ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಮಾನವೀಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸತ್ಯ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನು ಪರೋಪಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೋಭಾವಗಳು ಸಹ ಈಗಿನಿಂದನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಎಥಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಅಂದರೆ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಅಪರಾಧಗಳನ್ನ ದಾಖಲು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಗಿಡವಾಗಿ ಬಗ್ಗದ್ದು ಮರವಾಗಿ ಬಗ್ಗಿತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಗುಣಗಳು ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮಗು, ಆ ಒಂದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಏನು ತಾತ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಆ ತಾತನಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನ ಒಂದು ತಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಆ ಮಗು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಆ ತಾತ ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ತಟ್ಟೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಂತರ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಗು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ತಟ್ಟೆನ ತಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು. ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಈ ತಟ್ಟೆನ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನೀನು ಈ ತಾತನ ಥರ ಆದಾಗ ನಾನು ಈ ತಟ್ಟೆನ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಆ ಮಗು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಕಲಿತವೆ. ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಕೇಳಿ ಕಲಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಡೆ ನುಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಹ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮುಂದಿನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪೋಷಕರ ಪಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತವೆ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ನಡೆ ನುಡಿಗಳು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೊದಲು ಪರ್ಸ್ನಾಲಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ಇಫ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ರೂಢಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಮಾನವೀಯ ಗುಣಗಳು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಿಗೆ ವಿನಯವು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದಿರುವಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಮತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಅದೊಂದು ಮೇನಿಯಾ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸೇ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಮೊಬೈಲು. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇವಾಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೈಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಾನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಭಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಏನು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಬೇಕು ನಾನೇಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೈಬರ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಯೂಸೇಜನ್ನು ಲಿಮಿಟಾಗಿ ಬಳಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಪೋಷಕರು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೈಬರ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಅಪರಾಧಗಳ ಕಡೆ ತಾವು ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಫೇಕ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಥಿಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ರೂಪಿಸೋಣ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಜಯ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ವಿಜಯ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂಡದವರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Request our founder director Tara ma'am. Ma'am, Nandini ma'am, I request you to present a memento of gratitude to Tara ma'am. Ma'am, please. And when we were curating this event, we really had not expected that this would come out so well. And it is all because all of you are here today. And parents, students, thank you for the encouragement and cheering all the women who are present here. Give a huge round of applause to our founder director, Tara Swami. I now request Rupa Hasan to address the gathering.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರೇ, ಸಹೃದಯರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇದು ಮಾತಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಮಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಧೀರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ತಾರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ಮು ಮತ್ತು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳಷ್ಟೇ. ನಿಜವಾಗೂ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಅನುಭೂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ತೇಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಅಪರೂಪದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಮಹಿಳೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೇ ದರ್ಜೆಯ ಪ್ರಜೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲ್ಪಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವ, ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಮರ್ತೇ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳೇ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು 40ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹಾಸನದ ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆದು ಅವರವನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದೊಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯ ಶಾಲೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಡೀ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೆಣ್ಣಿನ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಅವಳಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಅವಳಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ, ಅವಳಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಾಣ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಇಡೀ ಸಮಾಜ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ವಿಜಯ ಶಾಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಎರಡರ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಆಘಾತಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಘಟನೆಗಳು ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಸ್ವಯಂ ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಡೀ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಸಂಕುಲವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಮತ್ತು ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಯಾಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಶೋಷಣೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತು ನಾವು ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಏಕ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಮಾಜದ ಈ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರವಾದಂತಹ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಧೀರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಭಾವಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯವರೇ ಆದಂತಹ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಾಹಿತಿಗಳಾದಂತಹ ವಿಜಯ ದಬ್ಬೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ತೂರಬೇಡಿ ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಣ್ತನದ ಘನತೆಯ, ಜೀವ ಕೊಡುವ ಜೀವವಿದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಜೀವ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು, ಅದು ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಜೀವ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮಗುವನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರವಾದಂಥ ಪ್ರಜೆಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೂಪಿಸಿ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸುವವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಮುಗಿದ ನಂತರ ಶಾಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಜಯ ಶಾಲೆ, ತಾರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ಮು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಳಗ 150ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅವರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕೇತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗುಂಪು ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಲಗೈಯಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಶಕ್ತಿ ವಿಜಯ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕಲಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಸಮೂಹಕ್ಕೆ, ಆಡಳಿತ ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿಂತು ಸುಬ್ಬುಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯವರ ಅತ್ತೆ ಮಾವ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪತಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಬೆಂಬಲದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಧ್ಯೇಯ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದೇನೇನೆ, ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಡೀ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸಮಾಜದ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಕೂಡ ವಿಜಯ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಧೀರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಗೌರವಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ವಿಜಯ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ. ನಾವಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಇಡೀ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಸಂಕುಲದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ, ಅನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನ ಖಂಡಿಸಿ, ವಿರೋಧಿಸಿ, ತಿದ್ದಿ ಈ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನೆಡೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
I now request Dr. Nirupama to address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. I am deeply humbled and honored to receive this recognition today, for which I thank wholeheartedly to Mrs. Tara S. Swami, Founder Director, Vijaya School, Hassan. Thank you, ma'am. It is not just my award. It belongs to every student, every teacher, every parent who has been the part of this incredible journey. As an educator, I have always believed that education is not just about books and exams. It is about opening minds, igniting dreams, and creating a bright future. And in the mission, I have been inspired every day by the resilience and determination of women in our society. India has a long tradition of strong women leaders, from the fearless Rani Lakshmi Bai to the selfless work of Mother Teresa. Yet, the true strength of Indian women is seen in the countless mothers, teachers, and the daughters who fight silent battle every day. Ensuring their families thrive, breaking barriers, and inspiring change. We often talk about empowering women. But let me tell you this, Women are already powerful. There is no need of empowering them because we ladies are powerful. What they need is just an opportunity, support, and belief. When we educate a girl, we are not just preparing her for a career or an examination. We are preparing her to uplift the generation. I have witnessed this transformation in my own students, where young girls blossom into confident, capable leaders. Even if you had observed, today only girls were welcoming us. Boys were on the backstage. So girls are great. But this journey is not one we walk alone. I have been blessed to work alongside parents who dream big for their children and teachers who gave their heart and soul to nurture the young minds. Together, we are building the society where every child, regardless of gender, can rise to their full potential. Let us remember the empowerment begins at home. We should never forget that empower begins at home. Encourage your daughter to dream, your wife to pursue their careers or passion, and your mothers to live with confidence. In doing so, we are not just empowering the women, we are enriching our entire community. As I accept this award, I do so with the gratitude and a renewed commitment to continue this work. To every woman in this room and outside the room, to keep going. You are the change maker, the leaders, and the hope of the bigger tomorrow. Thank you for this honor and for believing in the power of women and education, ma'am. Together we can achieve greatness. I want to thank all the women out here for being the source of inspiration, strength, and hope. By saying so, I just want to end my talk by just saying, I salute to all the ladies who are present here. Thank you. Jai Hind.